I know that I was waking up more and more tired in the mornings, and so it's exhausting to be exhausted all the time. My name is Ann Weiler, and I was implanted on March 2nd, 2020. I was diagnosed in 2008. Of course, my snoring was getting worse. I thought from my husband's comments and the way I felt that I had sleep apnea, so the doctor confirmed that. I used a CPAP machine for about 5 years. Big and bulky and covers your face. It'll loosen up and the air will come out, and that'll wake up my husband, and so he'll wake me up saying, "Your thing's loose," and it's horrible. Neither one of us was getting good sleep. I did come across Inspire. I was super excited. I was like, oh, I've got to find out about this. I just, by happenstance, came across a informational event. The surgeon was there, the pulmonologist was there, the Inspire rep was there. I made an appointment with the doctor right away. They went in and they did an exam, and my throat and my tongue and my palate are pushed back. You know, as soon as I lay down, my airway covers. So then in March, I had my surgery. I wake up and I'm rested. My good intentions are now things that I actually do. It's a dramatic change in my mood, in my outlook. I have a large yard and my flower beds go all the way around. And usually by this time of year, the weeds have won. I did a good job this year. Things that I would just let go, I don't let them go anymore. They're taken care of. I feel better about myself because I'm not exhausted and the things that need to get done are done.